Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to stop apps from opening automatically when you start your Windows 11 PC. This will help your computer start faster and save resources. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If it opens in a simplified view, click three lines at the top to expand it. Once it's open, go to the Startup tab. Here, you'll see a list of apps set to run when your computer starts. Look at the status column. Apps marked as enabled are set to launch automatically. To stop an app from opening, right-click on it and then select Disable. For example, if you don't want a messaging app or a file-sharing service to open automatically, you can disable it here. Alternatively, you can manage these apps through the Settings app. Press Windows key and I to open Settings. Go to Apps, then click on Startup. You'll see a list of apps with switches next to them. Turn off the switch for any app you don't want to launch at startup. Restart your computer to check if the apps you disabled no longer open automatically. And that's it. You've successfully stopped apps from opening at startup.